And I started going for larger companies, more permanent positions at larger enterprise companies. And that taught me a lot. Again, just learning more about what they were looking for, what questions they were asking, what the hiring cycle was like. And I felt pretty good about it. I remember that at this time, this was also when I actually was in a position where I was turning down offers. I remember in particular, I'm not going to say the name, but it was a large insurance company here in the, well, actually they're an international, but they have a big presence in the U.S. A large insurance company, and they made me an offer to come work for them. They had a great benefit plan. You know, they had a great stock plan. If I had invested in that stock, I would probably be retired by now. But they were doing a lot of work with like technologies that I wasn't interested in. You know, they were doing a lot of image processing, and image processing has never really called to me in data science, so I turned them down. But the point is that that was another step in my progression where I could actually like turn down positions because I knew not just that I wanted data science, but what I wanted to do within data science. So that was super key.